Hey guys, Monday, April the 29th of 2024, US pre-market open on nat gas. There's a important value area high here of 190 that we need to hold. If it kisses that and bounces, that's a good sign because chances are we could probably retest this $2 and maybe push higher. But if we fail 190, high probabilities that we could get down to 176, which is your midpoint. So keep that in mind. Looking at our simple glance chart, MACD is still positive on the monthly, on the weekly. PPS buy signal, but the only reason why we have that is because change of contract, as you can see. But so far, we're kissing the R1 on the monthly, which is like around 196. You got the 20 SMA coming in at 208. And once we could get above the 20 SMA, you could kind of tell that things will start changing and eventually get to maybe get to the midpoint, which is 258, but I don't have a target of 258. I got a target of 232, being a little more conservative, but it could get up there. Looking at the daily, you're above the 20 and the 50 SMA, and the 100 is coming in at 210, but we're at the top of the linear regression channel, so it's kind of risky here and in the cloud. So please place your stop. You don't want the Black Widow to take all your money, so be careful and trade with caution. This is a very risky once we're here in this cloud. Let's go into our FT chart, and you can see that we're in an important area, which is between 195 and 191. That cracks. This could probably be support of 184, but then you can get down to this area, which I find value. It's part of the DNA of nat gas. And lastly, let's go into the midpoint chart. Key levels to watch would be that 190 on the monthly. If that holds, same thing with here is the 75% of 190, 189. And for the week, you need to hold this level right here, which is 179. So if they push it down, this needs to hold and maybe bounce and retest this high and maybe push higher. But if this fails, the chances are greater we're going to fill this up right here and fill this hole and then assess what happen next. But so keep an eye on these levels, especially this pivot here of 184. So baby steps, one like 90, 184, and then 179. This needs to hold this week. Targets to the upside would be 210 all the way to 221 for this week. And for today, Monday, we failed the midpoint, which was $1.96. And now we're kind of chopping around. They're going to push it lower. It could go as low as 198 all the way to 186. 189 to 186. And maybe continue. So this is just, levels to watch. And if we're going to go higher, $2 all the way to 203 to 205. Looking at the statistical calendar, it's kind of mixed. Mondays are typically bullish in April. And for the 29th today, trading day, it's bullish. But the only thing interesting about this is that in regards to making money, it's also bearish. So it's very mixed. So we really have to lean on price action and key levels to see if they're going to hold. So you got your $2 and you got your 190. Those are your key levels you want to watch. 190 because of the 90 degree of the square 9. So let's see if that's going to hold. If that doesn't hold, then chances are it's probably going to push lower. I'm going to sign out. Hope you like this video, and I'll keep you posted on my thoughts on that gas.